So say it's same principle. Find the minimum number of students needs to guarantee that 5 of them have a last name which begin with the same first letter with 26. In that case, we need 5 people. So I want to show you the logic behind. So you don't need to remember just the formula. And one more, because with 26, 26, 26, 26, you're sure that you will go through like all letters 4 times. And the first letters that you will come is it's going to be some letter, and it's going to be like the fifth, that there is going to be the 5th people. Do you understand how I got this number? So it's going to be 26 times 4 plus 1. And if you go, I think, do using the formula, you will again, oh, here we don't have formulas. Let's go through his. You will get the similar thing, but with the formula. Not similar, same thing. K is 4, number of people is 26. Pen battery is, come on, oof, I don't have. N times K is 4 times 26 and plus 1. Group of people, 26, 26, 26, 26, and 1 plus 1. Oh, this is pretty good circle. Okay, now I'm going to confuse you a little bit.
Confused.
Okay. Okay, then please, okay. What is confusing you right now?
Fine. Go ahead. Maybe I'll figure it out at the end, because that's how I usually.
Okay, then you should probably not listen the next part. What is the chance that in 23 people, 2 of them have same birthday on the same day? Yeah. How would you approach that problem? In 23 people, what is the chance that 2 of them are going to have a birthday on the same day? What's the 3? 23. Okay. Yeah, 23 of them have it's a group of 23 people. And what is the chance that like one of them, of any of the 23, have birthday on the same day? You're not using pigeonhole. You're not using pigeonhole on this. I am showing you this example because it's contra-intuitive. It's like totally different than the first one. Yeah, you should get percentage because it's a question, what is the chance? Okay, well, let me show you. Okay, just imagine that we have 2 people, A and B. And if they check how many they can ask, A can ask B, how many is your birthday same as mine, and B can ask A. So 2 people, 2 like checking. Okay, if I got the third person, how many is then going to be? No. Okay, if I have group of 3 people, how many of them is going to check each other's like is going to ask each other when is your birthday? C is going to ask
One
A.
of them is going to ask 22 other people.
C is going to ask A. C is going to ask B. A is going to ask C, and B is going to ask C. Okay. 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 Maybe William is better. Number. Why is my pen not working normally? Okay. A and B. Number of comparison is like A compared to B and B compared to A. Okay, yeah, you're right. There is like two comparison. Why would I compare two times? Why I don't compare just once? That's a good question. I will show you on the end why I'm doing that. I will divide by 2 on the end. So I'm asking if there is like the third one, how many of them is going to, how many comparison is going to be?
4?
No.
6. 6 in total.
Yeah. Okay, if I got the third one, D, how many is going to be there? Yeah, yeah. Like B, D, A. What the fuck is here? Yeah. How much is that? Like 6 more, so it's going to be 12. 4. Okay, now I want to ask you, do you see how we got from this number, and from this number, this number? Can you like guess the formula? What?
It's factorials. No?
No, but come on. Okay, let's get one more example, and then you will maybe guess. A, B, C, D, E. So it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be 12 plus 4 times 2. It's going to be 20. Am I right? What do you mean by a group?
Yeah, that's 8.
Yeah. I said 20 because of that. Like 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. I remember there was some question like that, but right now I'm trying to remember how it's solved. And then, okay, I remember like I just don't remember how he got the chances. I remember the first part. Okay, how he got from 2 2, from 3 6, from 4 12, from 5 20. Okay, this is the formula. So for example, if it's 2, it's going to be 2. If it's 3, it's going to be 9 minus 3, it's 6. 4 on 2 minus 4 is going to be 60 minus 4, which is 12. Two people, like number of here is number of people, and here is the number of comparisons. Yeah. What can I repeat what you said? Exercise. No. Okay, this is not a pigeon call. This is two different exercises. I want to show you this one because it's totally like counterintuitive against pigeonholes. Like pigeonholes is like plus, this is minus, like I don't know, yin and yang, yin and yang. So in 23 people, it would be 23 on square minus 23, and because there is a 2 comparison, it's going to be divided by 2. Okay, first let's get the number on top. I'm not sure how much is this. Let's okay, and if I divide 500 by 6 by 2, how much? 253. And if I 253, and if I remember correctly, then you will need to wait, and just a second. Chances are calculated. This is like chances. I will write C. I don't know what is the or okay. Is calculated like M, and which M is like N is total. Why is my pen not writing normally? Yeah. No. It's going to be total number of our cases, which is going to be 365 because there is that's that much days in a year. Okay, if you remember the question, what is the chance that 23 people is going to have the birthday on the same day? N is going to be 365, and M is going to be 253, which is the number of comparisons. And I think the chances is going to be 253 against 300. Why is my pen not working normally? I need the new battery. Yeah. Are you sure it's going to be this number? Okay. And I think this is like okay. I will check then on the internet because I remember there was some exercise like that on the exam. Maybe I'm wrong. Because I look at your reviews and I didn't see chances, but I'm pretty sure that we had chances because I remember doing homework in chances and we even have a lecture.
Maybe it's gonna be the extra exercise. So when's the exam? Next Friday? Okay.
I will look for that. So maybe I didn't need to show you this if I didn't check on the first. Sorry, guys.
That's
Because
fine.
I remember that we had like this and we had the other one was with a coin. It was like a question. Oh, I remember the second one. The second one was what is the chance if you throw a coin 2 times to both time land on the same face? So you have a coin. Yeah, in a 2 throws. What is the chance that both time lands on the same face? What do you think? This one was the easy one.
In 2 throws? What?
Okay, you have a coin, like a regular coin.
Yeah.
Okay, with the head.
Yeah.
What is the chance that in a 2 throws, like I flip the coin 2 times, that both of them will land on the same face? No. It's going to be a 50. Come on, if you throw a coin on the first try, there can either be A or B.
Or B.
So it's 50-50 then. Hi, Nico.
Yeah, you're right. The genius is here. The genius is here. Okay, if I throw on the first A, then on the second one, I have 50 chance of getting it. If I get B, then is again 50 chance of getting it. Do you see? So do you see how it's 50-50? Don't guess. Do you understand how we got 50 chance? Others?
Yes.
The genius one?
I just came here. I guess so.
Because on the first try, if you got A, then you have a 50-50 chance on the second throw. If you got B, again, you have 50-50 chance. It's just met on the first try. You only need to find out if you need on the second try to get A or B. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a simple question. There was, okay. I'm trying to remember. I'm trying to remember because I was online first semester, so I saw also other groups. There was one with some balls in a box. Our third exam was especially hard because on the second exam, our tutor was caught helping others, and it was like a big problem. Amber's got some, I don't know, he needed to pay some money because of that, and the tutor lost the job, and we are all questioned about what happened. So maybe our exam was just harder than normal.
Nice.
We know what happens. We know exactly what happened there. Don't worry.
So maybe because of that he gave like these weird problems. If I remember, okay, I don't remember what was with the balls, but I will ask you. Like I will, like just imagine some. You have I don't know 50 balls in a bottle in a box, and you know that I don't know 7 of them are red. Let's have blue and green. 21 is going to be blue, and how much is left? 7 plus 21 is 29, and 22 is going to be a green. Okay, how many pulls do you need so you're sure that you got a blue ball?
Three? No, wait.
But if you cannot look after you pull, so you pull and you don't know what you touched.
20. No, wait.
So you take one and you don't know what to take, and you're taking until you're sure that you took one ball. Yes, you're on the right track.
Is it 30 out of 50?
Sorry, come again. I was switching to my laptop.
Okay. The question was, you have a box with 50 balls.
Okay.
In the box there is 7 red, 21 blue, and 22 green.
Okay.
How many pulls you need so you're sure that you got a blue ball?
Is it 30?
Yeah, you're right. How did you got 30?
Because you add the red to the green, and that's 30.
Yeah. Just imagine you're unlucky to get 22 times in a row green and 7 times red, and then the only thing that is left for you to get is the blue one.
Yeah. I think that after this tutoring, you can go gamble.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he asked what is the chance of getting in the first try, but I remember something like that was.
Okay.
But I don't think you will get a chance because I didn't see any examples on his side. But how do we get chances? You cannot answer that question. I'm just confused. Maybe you will get next lecture. I don't know. Okay. Was all of you last time when I did a theory of counting?
No, I wasn't there. But I don't know. I don't mind if we don't do it, if we do something else.
Because I am just not sure if I go with you right now on the second exam, like what are you going to do on Saturday?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so if you want, we can go through this.
Yeah.
Especially
It's not
because
many people tonight. It's just 4 people. I can't believe this. It's just,
oh, it's 4 of us. Who is the fourth one?
it's
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
with you.
Yeah, I'm the fourth one.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. The special one.
No, you're the genius. You came and immediately you got the answer.
No, come on, man.
Just a second. I want to see something. Actually, before I go through exercise, I want to like go through all the exams and tell you on if when you're studying on the loan what you need to look after. There is my pen. So remember this. On the first exercise, like there is going to come exercise like the first one. I'm sure because he gave us something like that.
Okay.
Like the second one, some groups had it, and it's like a easy example. So also repeat the second one.
Mhm.
Like third, fourth, or fifth one is pretty much on the same with the same trick. So it's going to give one example like 3, 4, or 5.
Wait. Let me tell. Is this the example of the exam? Something like that, or?
Yeah. He's like his review of the exam, and often he gives similar examples like in his reviews.
Is this just for counting, or is this the exam?
This is the counting. This is the counting.
Oh,
But I
just for
think
counting. Okay.
he gave us like I think half of the exam on our test was counting, fewer chances, like and I don't know, and there was like 2 exercises from the arrays or
Mhm.
3. Okay, the second one. I think if I remember correctly, there was maybe 1 exercise from the second one. There was a really small number. Oh, like the first one. First one is I think like every group has the first the exercise like the first one.
Okay.
The second one, I think only 1 group had, so you don't need to worry about the second one.
How many groups does he make? 2 or 3?
If I remember correctly, I think last time when I was online, it was 4, but maybe he
4.
made more than enough because of cheating.
That's all. Yeah, I think also that we had 3 groups last time. Yeah.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. The third one, I don't remember anyone having like the third one.
This was
Fine.
he was talking about this one the other day with the
Like
games, the clubs. Yeah, the third one. I remember this one from the yeah.
fourth one.
Uh,
I don't think maybe there was the fourth one. I can actually see the pictures that I sent him like on my other laptop. I saved them. Maybe I can find a fourth one. Maybe I haven't even the exam. Some exams. I will look at that for next tutoring.
Yeah. But will you do again like a review like I asked you the other day to
Yeah. I will do the. Oh, actually, that's a lot of exercise. But yeah, I think I can manage it.
Yeah, for you it's 5 minutes, man. You're a genius.
yeah. Like no. Okay. The fifth one. The fifth one, I actually think I remember. Or no. I don't think that fifth one came. I don't remember the fifth one came on my exam. Graph theory. Oh, graph theory. Graph theory. There was like, if I remember, 2 of them. Oh, there was maybe even the same one as in the review, like the first one.
Okay.
One of the group is going to come the second one, and the other group is going to come the third one. This is like deep first search and breadth first search. You can find the Indian guy that is showing you like how is he jumping, because I didn't I asked tutor last semester and he did the same thing. I will watch it. I will watch that video again to show you. But just because it's also using in programming DFS and BFS, and you also should remember that for programming, because I think you should use that for two-dimensional array to find the shortest path from one.
That's our lecture tomorrow. We have tomorrow two-dimensional arrays.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to be in programming 1, but maybe in programming 2 to find the shortest.
No, it's programming 1. We have it tomorrow.
Yeah, you will have two-dimensional array, but I'm asking you about algorithm, like to find the shortest part from 1, like I don't know, 0, 0 to 3, 0, if there is some obstacles.
Okay.
And you will need to use DFS or BFS. The fourth one is really easy. So I don't know. Okay, consider graph G, find all trails from A to C. Oh, the fifth one came.
Okay, the graph G in figure 1, find all the, okay.
The fifth one came. Graph theory. I actually don't remember this one. I think one of these examples came. Let me show how you're solving it. I don't remember much of this that came. Oh, this one came. I remember these pictures from the exam. Which one is this? It's sample problem 73. I remember that we need to write this, and it was like, if I remember, with 4 dots. It was less than this, but I'm sure one like this came.
Okay.
No, I mixed it. It's not this one. It's this one. This one, but with 4 dots. Yeah. The same one as this, like, but with 4 dots.
Okay.
Okay, I think this is again the same example. Come on. He's doing the same thing. Okay, and what is this? I don't remember that this came. I don't remember also this one. I think this one you did in the class. It was interesting. No, I don't remember this coming. Nope. Nope. Not. I don't think nothing of this came on the exam.
Okay.
Let's see also for arrays. Is there any tablet matrix examples? Oh yeah, matrices for this example. Oh, this one is the hard. This is the hard. This is really hard. But you're doing this online. You can find like solver for this.
Matrix solver.
Yeah, matrix solver. And I remember that I was scared because I didn't know Ambrose was easy, and I even used it during the exam. I hope that nobody recorded this, but yeah, I used the first one to start, like do half, and then I used other sides to finish it because it was much easier than doing it on my own. It's much faster.
Okay.
You can just write on the Google matrix solver.
Matrix solver or something, yeah.
Yeah, because you need to practice a lot for this, so it was much help that I could do it online. This is such a бързо, че му да завършим, не and let's see if there is
I think this one is
is this with the black background, or with the
with the black background?
Yeah. I think this is the one.
Yeah.
You're just happy that you're online, because doing this without this is really hard, and it's taking a time, and you can make a very easy mistake. It's like doing three equations at the same time.
Okay.
I hope nobody will ask me this, because I don't remember doing matrix. No, it was fucking pain.
So basically, what we will have in the exam is counting, graph, theory, and arrays, right?
Yes, you're perfectly correct. I'm just searching because I remember one. It was. Which exercise is this? I remember that we needed to write. Where is this? This. I remember that we needed to do. Where is with solution? I think it's like A of the first exercise. What the fuck? Что се дешава? Окей. Ти оно цртање не табло не с 4 sa 4. I'm sorry. There is like writing in a table, but I cannot find it because I remember there was that was in a graph. My bad. Oh, this will come 100%. This, you see this thing?
What's this?
It's like the way to connect. This one is like doing it. It's not that hard. You will like just like need to follow, and you cannot jump on the same number. I'm not sure how will explain you this without doing it. But this will come 100% because I remember I'm doing it on the exam, and I had the white paper, and I hated that I'm not using the one with the squares. Yeah, I remember that, and I said why I didn't took some with the squares on because I needed every time to write the whole thing and care. Okay. Don't be scared about graph theory. Graph theory is very easy. Counting you should practice, and for arrays I think only metrics came, and for that use Google, and that's all. And the exam solved.
100% guaranteed.
Yeah, so counting, most exercises come from counting. I showed you the one that came from graph theory, and arrays it will be 2 metrics, and just use Google and be sure you will get right. Okay, let's go through counting, like the first thing. Okay, the first one is like the pigeonhole that I said like last time. Maybe do you want to me to write here next to this, or like right here?
You can write here, doesn't matter.
Okay, let's go through the first exercise A like 5th time. Find the minimum number of students needed to guarantee that 5 of them have last names which begins with the same first letter with 26 letters. Do you want to use formula or you want to do it? Šta? Oh, hvala za vodu. Dobih vodu, ljudi. I got the water. I'm the happy guy.
No, you need ice cream, not water.
Oh, come to Dubrovnik and we will eat ice cream together. I'm hungry for ice cream. I really want
Free
ice cream. What?
Free ice cream.
Do you like strawberry or you like the other one?
I don't have a favorite one, but yeah, strawberry is fine. Vanilla, chocolate.
I don't like that much. What's the name? Others. I actually like chocolate, but okay, let's go. What happened? What the fuck? Okay, let's do it. Have last names which begin with the same first letter. You have name, last letter. You don't even need to write this. And like there is 26 of these 26 letters that came here. If you put 26 letters in the first group, I will say this 100 times. If you want me to not say it, I won't say it. and then you're sure that you're going from A to Z. You will have all the letters. Then you put 26 again, and you again have all the letters from A to Z. 26 again, A to Z, all the letters you have. Let me remove this one. 26, A to Z. And then you have one letter. Because you all of these letters got 4 times, any letter that you got on the last place, it's going to be sum of these letters, and you will get the 5th time. Do you understand this?
Can I see the question?
Find the minimum number of seniors.
Yeah. I don't know what to say more. You're totally correct, and if I'm right, it's like k minus 1 times what 26, which is I think is n plus 1 is like this. Is this the formula? I think so. K
No
is
idea.
the number of
Can you
letters.
forget power of n?
What do you mean by
Or-
power of?
K minus 1 in parentheses power of n, or maybe I'm tripping.
Don't be so bad. I think it's k minus 1 because you need to get 4 times 26. Do you see? Because we have 20, we basically need 26 plus like this plus this plus this plus 1. Oh, I just looked it. Professor is writing this like this. And I don't know what is this number. 26 times 4 is going to be 80 plus, okay, 104 plus 1. Do you all understand how I got this number?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Can I say no?
Yes, please say no.
I will
Like-
also say no.
Well, what?
I will agree. No. Can you do it again? Can you go through it? So k plus 1 is equals 5.
Okay, k plus this 5 represents how many letters we need to get.
Yes.
This is like pigeonhole formula,
Okay.
pigeonhole something. And you need to get the number of k,
Okay.
which is in this case 4.
Okay.
N is all the letters in the alphabet.
Okay. 26.
N times k plus 1 is 26 times 4 plus 1. But this is with formula. Okay. Do you because you can also like explain it like this way. With 26, you're going to have all the letters from A to Z.
Okay.
With 26 again, you're going to have all letters from A to Z. With 26 again, you're again going to have 26. So, and plus 1 is going to be the finish one, which is again like the same thing like here. 26 times 4, they got here, and plus 1 is plus 1 this.
Can I see the formula, the pigeonhole formula, or whatever it is?
Okay, let's see what professor did. Here it doesn't have any reviews. Oh, you want to see the
My courses, dude.
yeah, like how it's called, the cheat sheet but from professor. Okay. It's the same thing what I asked you on the start. How would you prove that there is like two people with the same number of hair in New York if you cannot count both? Just imagine if you have 8 pigeons and you have 7 holes. There must be in some hole 2 pigeons if you want to put all of them. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So it's the same principle here. If you have, I have 26 letters, and I have how many holes? 4 holes. No. 26 times 4 plus 1, and I need to put them in 4 holes. I don't know how to represent you this with the holes. Okay, there is going to be 26 holes. And the question is, how many pigeons you need to have? So in one of them is 27. Something like that is going to be a question. No? Yeah. Okay, do you see what professor did?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
And do you understand what he did or no?
Yeah.
Others?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did the same thing. Why you didn't understand what I did? Maybe this confused you. Am I right? Sorry, I'm really sorry. I thought that would help you. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see what is the next question. Find the minimum number of students needed to guarantee that 5 of them were born the same day of the month. How would you do that? Come on.
So
How would you do it?
what did you say? How many students?
Find the minimum number of students needed to guarantee that 5 of them were born on the same day of the month.
30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 1.
Yeah.
Yes?
It's the same formula again.
Yeah, same formula. K plus 1 is 5, again, like last time.
Yeah.
N is 30. Why my pen stopped working? And solution, or professor called it M, was N times K plus 1
1 equals 30
plus times 4 plus 1.
1.
And yeah.
121.
Okay. Do all of you know second exercise because it was on the first exam?
It was in the first exam.
Yeah. Yes or no?
Yes, yes. We saw the last time too, so it's in the recording.
Yes, we did. I think. Yeah.
You
I just took a glimpse at the recording, but I wasn't impressed.
okay, you come just from the center, like if 4 students have all degrees, and it is like the small circle in the center, and then you're doing 2 and 1. You're just doing from 3 to 1, and you will get the easy. It's going to be easy. Okay. What about the third one?
I think I know it.
Others? Okay, let me show how you will do it. This X is really fast, and I'm going to show it you here.
Is it permutation and combination?
Yeah. Like, do you see this? And do you see this?
Yeah.
You write 12, 5. You need 3 men, 2 women, 3, 2. And that's like 12. What? I think this battery. Yeah. I wrote 0.
Can I ask why we wrote 12, 11, 10?
It's the combination formula that I showed you last time. You just implement that one.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it like normal, because this is not being. This pen is weird. I need new battery. Okay, we have there is 12 men and 5 women. This looks more like a 8. What the fuck? Okay. Find the number of ways teacher can select a committee of 5 for the class where there is 3 men, 2 women. Okay, my battery is low. Don't show me that my battery is low. And you need to calculate this. Do you remember? Do you know? Do you understand how I implemented this or no?
I do.
Nope.
You have 12 men, 5 women.
I get that. I don't get the fractions that we made.
12 men, 5 women. This is not same as this. You're writing like 12 and you look at this 3 and you're going just down 12, 11, 10, 10, and from you're going numbers to 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Same thing, 5 and 2. 5, 4, 1, 2.
Okay.
Okay, how would you write 4, 3?
4, 3, 2 over 3, 2, 1.
And how would you just write 4, 3? Oh, okay, yeah, you said 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're perfectly correct. So you're doing the same thing here. Do you understand?
Yeah. Thanks.
No problem. At least 3 women. How would you do the B one? Does someone wants to try?
We have 3 possible combinations.
Yeah, you're going the right way.
So like 3 women, 2 men, and then 4 women, 1 man, and 5 women.
0 men.
Women.
Yeah.
You write them as
You want to immediately write formula or you want to like draw this?
12 choose 3 times 5 choose 2.
What you said? What you said?
You write 12 choose 3 times 5 choose 2. Like
Okay,
you
okay,
write,
okay, 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 okay. Next.
12 5 and then 1 4.
Okay.
12 3 and 0 5.
Okay, now what?
12 5.
Okay. Let's someone other tries because I see that you can understand this. Who wants to try this? Sven or the other one?
Sure. First one is 12, 11 over 1, 2. times 5, 4, 3 times 3, 2, 1. Did they say and or?
You
What?
add all of the possible combinations together.
Oh, then plus 12. Is that a 4 or a 1
What?
on the left side?
This?
It's a 1.
Then it's just 12.
This is 4. This is 4.
No, the one on the left side.
Oh, this is 1. This is 1.
Yeah, then it's
Because
just
because
12.
we need group because we need a group of 5 people, so this must be 5.
Okay. Over. Oh, it's just 12 plus.
I think it's is it plus or it's time? I think it's
That's why I asked if it's or and.
no, it's time. It's time.
In between, but you add the combinations. Yeah.
Okay, what I write here? 3, 4.
That
It's
one
not
I have
it's 5.
makes more sense. 5, 4, 3,
much more
2.
sense.
And then 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
And then plus 0.
Are you sure it's 0?
No.
It's 1.
Can you explain how, please?
Mm,
0 factorial.
yeah, it's 0 factorial, but I'm thinking how can I him that? If it's 0 factorial enough for you that it's 1, then I don't need to explain anything.
I know what 0 factorial is.
So okay, then just leave it with 1.
1, okay.
Okay. Otko znam koliko će da traje tutoring? Uradit ćemo još 4 zatke, to je to. Dobro, koliko? Ne znam koliko smo radili sad. Aj... 5. Ok, bit će ovi na sličnu foru, proći brzo. Ajde, evo bit će do 9:30. Do 9:40. Sorry guys. I have some stupid friend that annoys me. I'm back. Okay, what I should write here? I'm just kidding, but for real, you have 5/5, so it must be the same thing. It's again going to be the 1. And then you just calculate them. Because I have video of the like these two, it's going to do the really similar thing. Okay, maybe I should do A here. And like I don't need actually the third one. Okay, I will do okay, you can choose A or B from the 4th one, and from the 5th one A, B, C, or D. I would tell you that to choose D from the 5th one, and from the 4th one, I don't know, for the 4th one you can choose whichever you want. Guys?
B from 4.
Okay, and from the 5 also D.
Your suggestion, yeah.
Okay. I didn't read exercise. Superstitions are not permitted. How many of them are even and less than 500? and I should have like some group. Oh, I think that I can only use 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, or 7. Okay. I have a group from 1, 2,
You forgot the 9.
3, 5, 6, 7. My pen stopped. No, I
You
cannot write.
didn't charge it.
I cannot write. Yeah, but where I can find battery? Wait, maybe I can use paint. Lucky me. Today is a really beautiful day.
Every day's a beautiful day. I don't know what you mean.
What the fuck? It's freaking. Wait. He has a little bit battery left. He has a little bit battery left. Okay, let's do it really fast. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, and 9. That's all the possible numbers that I can use. Because I have 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and how many of them are even and less than 500? So I only weigh how many of them are even and less. Okay. Because they're even, they must finish with 2 or 6. And because how many of them are okay, even or less, we know also with how many it can start. It can start
4,
with
3,
1, 1, 2, 3, and it can start with it must finish with 2 or 6. And based on that, I can do the exercise. Like you need to write 2 over x. Let's hope that the pen works again, because if it doesn't work, it's going to fuck me. I heard one funny sentence like, fuck me if I'm wrong, 1 + 1 is 3. Okay. Okay, fourth one, B. For the first one, I can have like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And let's say that we put 2 on the end. So here is only 1. And what is here left? 1 or 3. So I have 2 cases here. And what is left inside is 5. Why it's 5? Why it's not 4? Because I have 7 up. Because I can only use 1 or 3. You understand? How I got this? Yeah, and I have or, where I can start with 1, 2, or 3. And that's like 3 of them. Some number. Again, it's going to be 5, but don't worry. And here I can have only 6, which is 1. And again, I have here left 5 numbers. So it should be again 7. Because it's like 1 + 1 + 5 + 1. So I have 7 numbers.
Okay.
And then you just calculate them. 2 times 5 is 10. And 3 times 5 is 15. And the answer is 25.
Easy. Okay.
Is easy for everybody. Hello, guys.
Yeah, all cool. All
Many, yeah.
Like you write on the first one, what is possibility? Like first, you need to think. I have one case where 2 is on the end, and other case when 6 is on the end. If 2 is on the end, on the first one can be 1 or 3, and in the middle is left 5 numbers because I need to use all of them. 1 here, 5 here, 1 here. Plus, and what I have here, remember from last time, or is plus. I can have 1, 2, or 3 on the start, times 5, and times 1. And that's all. Oh, okay, clear all of this. And let's do the D. You will get the D later. Okay, just a second. Okay, I have 26 letters, of which 5 of them are vowels. Okie dokie. Consider only for Dora. Okay, dokie. And begin with D and contain the letter F. Okay, dokie. Okay, if I have 26 letters, and if I remove 5 vowels, I have 21 consonants. And if I need to use D and F, then I'm left with 9 letters to use. Do you understand how I got 9 letters? I have 26 letters. 5 of them are vowels, so I'm left. Okay, how to find number of okay, I need to write again this thing. So I'm thinking about what number I should get here. I should write here constants, and here I should write vowels. And if I have 26 letters, like it said, minus 5 vowels, and minus 2 of them because D and F, I use also them, and it's left 19. So I write here 19. Do you understand how I got 19?
Yep.
And let's so let's write D, F, and here I have 5 vowels, and I used which one? Begin with a D and contain the letter F. Okay, so I have 5 vowels. I don't need to think about anything. I thought that I need to think about something. 5 of them are vowels. And what
and
is
we're
left?
selecting 2 of them, so we put 2 on the right side.
Yeah, and how much I put here? 1, because it needs to be the 5 hour. 3 different constants and 2 different vowels. So I have
Why
3.
why are we not using 3?
What was that?
Why are we not using 3 on the left side?
We are using 3 on the left side, but I know that one of them is D and one of them is F. So I don't need to look like so much cases. Like I need to cut the cases that how to explain it? Like I need to cut the cases because I know that the D and F are here 100%. I don't need to check like I only need to check for 1 hole. I don't need to check for 3 holes because already 2 of holes are full, D and F. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's great. 9 over 1 and 5 over 2. And what you need on the end is how to explain this? It's 4 factorial, but do you know how I got 4 factorial? Anyone?
No.
Okay, for the 5 letters, if I can use all of them, it would be 5 factorial. Wait, so I get all the okay. For getting all the combinations, why eraser is not working normally? My pen. Let me think how I can explain this with good example. How to explain with this good example? Okay. This is something, and this is something. Because I know that it starts begin with a D, I'm sure there is one which is D. On the others are left, because I used here one, I know here can be four possible letters out all of these. Here can be three because I already used two of them. Here can be two because I used three of them, and here is one because I already used four of them. So it's 4 times 3 times 1, which is 4 factorial. If I didn't know that it begin with a D, then I would get 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 5 factorial. Do you understand or no?
Yes.
Because I need to see how many ways I can like twist these letters inside. Because even if I use same 5 letters, I can put them on much more different phase in the same letter. Like but so I can also write BCA and ACB. You understand? But because I know it starts with a D, okay, it starts with a D, it's not ending with a D. I can just use this, and okay, this is like 19 times 5, 4, 1, 2, and times 4 factorial. And you just calculate this.
I don't get the 4 factorial part.
Okay.
Yeah, me neither.
Okay. I'm still driving. I need to stop driving. Wow. It's still here. Clear. Okay. I have A, B, C, D. And I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go with an even smaller number. I have A and B. On how many ways I can put them here? I can put A, B, and I can put B, A, which is 2 factorial, which is 1 times 2, which is also 2. Do you get it?
Yeah.
If I put A, B, C, now I can write A, B, C, A, C, B, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, and C, B, A. How many of them? There is 6 of them. 3 factorial. 1 times 2 times 3, which is also 6. But what will happen if I also need to like A, B, C, but I know it starts with A. What the fuck was this? I know it starts with A. So I only have B, C, A, C, B, which is going to be for the first only 1, for the one 2, and for this one 1, which is going to be again 2 factorial. Like I just lost 1 factorial because I know it's going to start with 1 letter. Do you understand? In
Yeah.
our example, we have 5 of them, but I know it's going to start with 1 letter, with a D, and I'm left with the 4 letters, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is equal to 4 factorial. Does everybody understand? Please be honest. Like you need to find how all possible ways to like put these letters in different orders. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Please, others say something. There is 5 of us. And only Kiara is talking.
I get
well,
it.
let's say, okay, I don't know.
I
Okay,
have one problem. No. I understand it. I just do it in a different way because I've never did combinations and permutations like write it out. I always just use the calculator. So that's my problem.
okay. If you were last time here, stupid question, and maybe you were here, then I will become stupid. I will be stupid one because I ask this again. But tell me, if you okay on the phone, you have like net 4. Let's say 4 like things to write the password, like password out of 4 characters.
Yeah, I was the one that solved it. It was
Nice.
10,000.
Nice. Okay, but come on. Okay, so you calculated very stupidly, very smartly. I want to say, just remember, if you need to find all possible ways, you find a number of things that can twist and put that on factorial. Do you understand? I have 5 letters and I know 2 of them are fixed. 3 letters are left, so just put 3 factorial. Does everybody understand that? How to use it, not to understand whys like that. Please say something.
Okay, can we use bigger numbers just to make sure?
Yeah, you can put any number. You can say 15 letters and say that 4 of them are cannot twist, and you will just put 11 factorial.
Okay.
But to write 11 factorial is a really big number. I'm thinking you're also sure that 11 is a really big number. Okay, I will write it in calculator. Okay, do I really need to write in calculator?
No.
Okay, so do you understand how I did this before? Or no?
Well, it's not completely sure. I'm not completely sure how, but
Okay. Let's go like this. Really fast. 26 letters. 5 of them are vowels, so I'm left with 21.
okay.
I know that there is D and F, so I'm left with 9 of them. 19.
Okay.
19. Okay. Because it said consider 3 different constants, I already used D and F, so I'm only left with 1. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go after. I have 5 vowels, and I don't have, and I know that there is 2 different one. It's not said that I can use any of. It's not said that I have like A 100% or B 100%. I just know that I have 2 of them. So what is left? 5, because I didn't lost anything.
That's 5 of them, yeah.
5, 2, yeah. And what is also left? I have 3 and 2, which is 5 thing, but I know it begin with a D. So what I said before, I have 5 combinations, but I know the first one is D, so I'm only left with a 4, which is 4 factorial. Where is the, what the fuck? Where is whiteboard?
There we go.
I'm left with the 4 factorial, and that's all. You just calculate it. Dobra. Okay, so does everybody understand what I did right now?
Last thing before we go crazy. Is the word supposed to be of 6 letters?
No, it said 5 letters, 3 plus 2.
5 letters.
3 different
Okay.
constants,
Yeah,
2 different vowels.
constants and 2 different.
3 constants, 3 letters, 2 different vowels, 2 letters. 3 plus 2 is 5.
There we go.
Did you want to use?
Well, I think we had too much math tonight. Man. Well, I think we had too much math tonight. Man. It's
Okay.
40. I think your girl, nah, just friend or girlfriend will kill you. It's 9:42.
She's a friend. Don't worry.